Boom, what's up everybody? Today I'm making a video. So I hope this goes good. Yeah, we're gonna be playing Full Escape. Let's go in. I'm sorry to hear those doors. Um, I played this before. Just got this game. Let me do it. So we're gonna have trophy. Let's show it off. Confirm. I said conform. Let's do hard this time. No. She. Oh, I didn't make it outside. In. This is heart is actually full. Low. Lag. Take it. So, that was kind of hard. Move. Anyways, let's do this. Let's watch people. Ooh. Going to easy then. A lot of people should be going to easy.
Yes, ma'am. Nope.
Dang it. I'm at the best of people. Okay, so after this point, let's skip to I'm going bad and easy. You see, I'm a noob. 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 Let's watch the person. See what they're doing. Hey, so they're doing this. Whoa. After. Okay. Well, I don't. Nobody's ready.
I'm playing 2K in the playground.
So right now, I am eating. Oh my gosh. Smack ASMR. We've got 20 minutes of ASMR. This is all I hear. A banana stab. And I'm hitting it. I haven't watched this one. Yes, watch. I have escaped before. It's been a while though. ASMR at its best. So let's I don't know why. I think after a while, like I don't know. I said, oh my gosh, I'm so bored. But I never play Roblox, and Roblox is such a game I could do. I actually stopped playing Roblox because of the escape too. I was like, oh my gosh, this is impossible. This is hard. This is no way. And then I just stopped playing games and then watch other people play it. Have well, actually, it's not been a while, but I do play on a special occasion, so I don't do like every day. But I'll try to make videos every day. So I think I'm gonna do like one day off, one day. Or the best we're gonna do every year. But it depends if we can get on my work done because Corona, and you have schoolwork you still have to do, so it's not very easily. You can just jump from there to there, but okay. Yeah, let me know other shits. So for place this game. The game has ended. I like your hair. Very beautiful. But what I'm saying, so anyways. ASMR. You're stuck. Oh no. Uh-oh. Go, drop. Said he tried. Oh, and jump. Oh, oops, I'm done. Whee. I always get tricked with the floor. Yep, made it. She literally got all the buttons. Okay. Go. Thank you. We see what. Okay, so let's try to get all the buttons up here. Whee. No, she died. She died. I don't know how she died, but she did. Where do I go? No, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, I was supposed to take it down. I'm so dumb. I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. This sucks. I'm gonna die. Oh, and this was my last one. Oh no. Yes, sir. Oh, 3 already. No. Dang it, I fell. I tried to just change death already. This is sad. Go, 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 go. Boom. Dang it, fool. go in. Why is it not letting me go in? What? It's not letting me go in. It's not letting me go in. Let me in. Oh, it was a glitch. It wouldn't let me in, but I was still. That was nothing. Whew, we're in. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh, she didn't make it. Okay, last one. This will have to be my last one. Go. Overbook. Yeah, that's nothing. No, no. Okay, so what? No! I clearly jumped. It's so sad. That is just sad. I don't know why people do that. I literally just go in the one that's open. If it's hard, no. I'll be like, oh, hey, see, this is what we're not gonna do. And I literally skip it. I'm missing that. Okay, so I cook. I taste from my grandma's house. I have a pill and I'm drinking it. ASMR at its best. I don't know. Because you might hear me tune so loud. So yeah. You know, I was like, whew, I almost fell. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let me. Oh, no. No. There was once. No, why is it doing that? What we're gonna have to do. Yeah, there's nobody in the lobby. Oh, he tried, but he didn't make it. He failed to see people. I don't know why I'm going this way. There's a shortcut. Oh, yeah. If I die from this, this is complete sadness. How am I supposed to get up there? I'm walking in place. That's actually not a good idea. Yeah. This will be this actually's been a while. I have played this before. I'm gonna get all of them for him because he's a noob and he what I have. I'm just gonna cheat for him. There's so many moves. No! Oh man, he has to make it myself. That is so sad. This is sad. This is sad. Okay. One more. We're gonna have to do this one more time. We can do this. But there's nobody in there. That is glitchy. That is actually very glitchy. It's open. Goodbye. See you next time. Okay, one more. This is gonna be the last one. Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. I was about to say. I'm gonna die. That was the fastest. I'm here. Nobody but me has a sling, and I was literally gonna be the first one to die. That is some noob moves right there. I know they could get up. Oh, he tried. Okay, let's go in. Whee. Oh man. Well, thank you guys for coming and joining me for Flood Escape. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Bye.